Hello friends, welcome to my channel Debasis Puja Mandir. Today I am giving a very exciting news that online registration for the Char Dham Yatra 2026 has officially begun, allowing devotees to plan their pilgrimage to the 4 sacred Himalayan shrines in Uttarakhand. Authorities said pilgrims can now complete the process through the government's official portal or mobile application. The annual pilgrimage covers 4 important Hindu temples: Kedarnath Temple, Badrinath Temple, Gangotri Temple and Yamunotri Temple. Registration has been made mandatory by the state government to improve crowd management and ensure the safety of pilgrims visiting the Himalayan shrines. Online registration process. Pilgrims can register through the official Char Dham portal or by downloading the mobile application. After selecting the temples they plan to visit, devotees can submit the form and download the confirmation slip. Authorities have advised pilgrims to carry the registration slip and valid ID proof during the journey. Offline registration facility. The Uttarakhand government will also offer offline registration facilities shortly before the pilgrimage begins. Counters are expected to operate at key locations including Haridwar, Rishikesh and Dehradun. Temple opening dates. The Char Dham pilgrimage will begin on April 19, 2026 on the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, when the gates of Gangotri and Yamunotri temples will open to devotees. The opening schedule for 2026 is now available. Gangotri and Yamunotri temple will open on April 19th. Kedarnath temple will open on April 22 and Badrinath temple will open on April 23. Registration for the pilgrimage is currently free for pilgrims. Helicopter services are also available for those traveling to Kedarnath, particularly elderly devotees or those with limited time. The Char Dham Yatra attracts millions of devotees every year and remains one of the most significant religious pilgrimages in India. Friends, now we are providing all official details for online registration websites and phone number in screen. Please note. Friends, we have tried our best to cover all points devotees to plan their pilgrimage to the 4 sacred Himalayan shrines in Uttarakhand. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon for our sincere efforts and for more informative videos. Namaskar.